Welcome back from spring break. I hope everybody had a safe, peaceful, fun spring break. We are down to our last 9 weeks and then we will have summer break. So we just have to do a few more things and you will be done with your 6th, 7th, or 8th grade year. Anyway, so we're back at assignment 1. We're in week 28, and we are going to be building on the link process that we did before spring break. So what you are going to be doing is you're going to pick a state, any state except for Florida, because I'm going to use Florida as my example. You're going to copy and paste an outline of the state, and then you have to put 3 icons representing different cities of those states with links to go to that city. One of them has to be the capital. So to do this, what you need to do is you have to go to your SSO. If you have the downloaded version, it's pretty much the same. So I'm just going to do it on the online version for right now. If you have problems or questions, you know you can always ask me. But so you're going to open up a PowerPoint. You are going to do a new blank presentation. I'm going to erase these boxes, so you just need to select them and hit backspace. We're going to go over here and I'm going to put in Florida outline. Like I said, you can pick any state but Florida. Okay, so just going to select it. And then we're going to go over here. We'll right click and hit copy image. And then we're going to go here and we're going to right click and hit paste. Oh, no, we have to hit Control V. Sorry. Yes, it's the online version. So we now have a nice big state here. So we're going to go over to Insert, and I'm going to insert a shape. I mean, you can do an icon if you really want to, if you have something that goes with it. But for the capital, it needs to be a star. So we're going to put a star here. And then we are going to insert a text box. And we're going to call it Tallahassee. And we are going to put that right up here. And then we're going to select Tallahassee. We're going to go to Insert a Link. And we can go over here and we can find, type in Tallahassee, Florida. And we don't want an image, we want information about Tallahassee. So we're just going to go to the Wikipedia. If there's a state one, go ahead and use that one. Like I said, it's more about the skill of being able to do it than the information that's on there. However, sometimes it's pretty interesting to read them. So you're going to highlight it and you're going to copy it. You're going to go down here to Address and you are going to put Insert. So now I have a state, and which, by the way, I forgot. We're going to insert a text box, and we're going to put the name of the state. So we are going to go to Home. I'm going to go to maybe 60. Yeah, that works. You can choose a font if you want. You can choose a size. So we'll use Cooper Black just because that's always nice and you can read it. We will pick orange because it is the Sunshine State, and we're going to call it Florida. So you can put yours however you want it to be. Now you're going to do the same thing for 2 more cities. You need to put it in the basic area that the city is located. So I don't want you to put Miami up here. If Miami's all the way down here, do not put it in the middle of the state. You need to put it pretty much where it goes. So we're going to insert, and let's see, we'll pick an icon now just because I want you to see that there's a whole bunch of different things. If you know that it's known for something, I don't know, Miami's known for a lot of things, but we'll go with beaches. Not that half the state couldn't be known for that, but we'll go ahead and put a beach ball. We're going to insert it, and we're going to put it down here where Miami is. We're going to insert a text box. We're going to call it Miami. We're going to highlight it. We're going to go to insert a link. We'll go over here to Miami, Florida. And there's a Miami Gov. Okay, so this is from the government. It does not have to be. We're going to select it and copy it. We're going to go back to ours. We're going to put it in here. And so now we have that. And then you can pick one more. So we're going to, since everybody, let's see if there's anything for Disney. Nope, nothing Disney. How about Mickey Mouse? Probably not. All right, how about roller coaster? Nope. What else is my Orlando known for? Orlando is known for, or actually, you know what? We won't do Orlando. We'll do NASA. So we'll put space. So if you want, you can go and get a NASA logo. I mean, it's not that you have to do what I'm talking about. But we're going to put over here, and NASA is in Cape Canaveral. So we'll insert a text box, and we're going to put Cape Canaveral. And then we'll highlight it. We're going to go to insert a link. We're going to go over here to Cape Canaveral. Oh, there's a NASA one, but there's Port Canaveral. So I guess we'll just go up here to Cape Canaveral here. And we will highlight it, hit copy, go back to our presentation, paste, and then insert. So now it's a way that you can make an interactive game learning experience, etc. So that's why I wanted to show this to you. So it can be multi-layered. So we have a picture, and we have an icon, and we have a link. There is a lot of things that you can do within PowerPoint. So once you're done, you can go ahead and save it. You can save it as, let's see, I think it's Q4A1, which is stands for quarter 4, assignment 1. And you should make a quarter 4 folder on both your computer and on OneDrive. And for those who don't remember, on your computer, if you open up your Intro to Computers, see I have quarter 2, quarter 3. If I go anywhere in the white area and I right click, I can go to New Folder and call it quarter 4. The same thing on OneDrive. You just go to New Folder and it will allow you to make a quarter 4 folder. At the end of the quarter, you will have to send me a screenshot like you did last time. You guys really need to get better about doing it because most of you did not have all of your assignments in one spot. And that is going to be a problem because I don't know about you, but I hate when I lose things and it spends more time looking for something than it would be for me to redo it. So if you will just take the extra 30 seconds and put it where it's supposed to be, you won't have that problem. So that is what assignment 1 is basically you're creating your quarter 3 folder. You are making a slide that has about a state that has 3 cities in it with links to those cities. If you have any problems or questions, please let me know, message me, and if not, I hope you are having a great week, and I hope to see you soon.